Imagine taking a giant leap for all of humanity. Welcome to the story of the Apollo 11 moon landing, one of the greatest achievements in human history. Apollo 11 was the spaceflight that first landed humans on the moon. It was a culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and incredible technological advancement. The mission took place during the intense space race of the 1960s, a technological and ideological competition between the United States and the Soviet Union. The primary objective of Apollo 11 was simple yet monumental: successfully land a man on the moon and ensure his safe return to Earth. The mission involved a complex journey through space, relying on precise calculations and the dedication of thousands of people on Earth. Apollo 11 launched on July 16, 1969, from Kennedy Space Center in Florida, carried by the massive Saturn V rocket. The historic crew consisted of Commander Neil Armstrong, Lunar Module pilot Buzz Aldrin, and Command Module pilot Michael Collins. The most critical phase of the mission was the descent and landing onto the moon's surface, a moment filled with tension and excitement. The lunar module, named Eagle, separated from the command module Columbia, carrying Armstrong and Aldrin down to the moon's surface. After a nail-biting manual landing to avoid a boulder field, Neil Armstrong uttered the famous words, "Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed." A few hours after landing, the hatch opened, and humanity was about to achieve a long-held dream: walking on another celestial body. On July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong took the first steps, declaring, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." Following his first steps, Armstrong and Aldrin planted the American flag, a powerful symbol of national achievement broadcast around the world. The mission was not just symbolic. It was a critical scientific endeavor to study the moon firsthand. Armstrong and Aldrin spent about 2.5 hours outside, collecting 21.5 kilograms of lunar rock and soil samples and setting up scientific instruments. Buzz Aldrin soon joined Armstrong on the lunar surface, marking the second person to walk on the moon. They worked together to complete their tasks before returning to the Eagle. After their time on the moon, the next challenge was the journey back, which required precision and seamless execution. The Eagle's ascent stage lifted off from the moon, successfully rendezvousing and docking with Michael Collins in the command module Columbia. On July 24, 1969, Apollo 11 successfully splashed down in the Pacific Ocean, completing the mission and ensuring the safe return of its crew. The Apollo 11 mission's legacy extends far beyond a single achievement, inspiring generations and driving technological innovation. The mission spurred advancements in materials, science, computing, and aerospace engineering, shaping the world we live in today. The Apollo 11 moon landing remains a testament to human potential and our capacity to achieve the seemingly impossible. Thank you for celebrating this giant leap with us.